Alright, so this is in this program, it's going to calculate the shipping charge. Over here in this first line is where we're going to take the input from the user, take the weight of their package in pounds. It's going to be casted as an integer. And then here on this line, it's going to be the charge, which by default is going to be at 0. Now for the first if statement, we're going to test how much weight there is. If the input from the user is equal to or less than 2 pounds, it will run through this calculation where, let's say you have 1 pound, it's going to be 1 times 1.5 or 50, and that's what's the charge going to be. So see, if you put 1, it's going to give us 1.5. But let's say we have more than 1 or 2 pounds. Let's say we got like 5. It's going to go down to this else if statement down here, right here. And then it's going to go through the same process, but only if these two conditions are met. If it's greater than 2 pounds and equal to or less than 6 pounds. And if those conditions are met, it'll run through this calculation, where instead of 1.5, it's going to be $3. So let's say we do 5 pounds, $15. And the same goes for this other else if statement, but with different. The only difference is it has different conditions and different dollar amount here. So whenever pounds is greater than 6, or when pounds are less than or equal to 10, we'll run through these calculations. But let's say you don't meet any of these other, if you don't meet any of these conditions, we'll go down to this else statement right here. And here it will run through this calculation where instead of any of these other numbers, it's going to run to 4.75. So let's say we got like 11 pounds. It's going to be an expensive shipping charge. And then here, and this final line right here is where the output is going to be, with its respective charge amount.